was a man. He had a lot of vision. Found a way to see the future. Oh, we saw the death of millions. No one could explain what he was foreseeing. Not even he himself, no. He didn't want to believe it, no. Nostradamus saved us and tell us what you see. And are your visions fatal, or another mystery? Imagine yourself looking into the fire, and to see what you see, and only God knows why. Well, it's so easy to tell now when you look in the light. Oh Lord, all the wrong you was receiving, even though he was right, and you know he was right. Whoa, whoa. Nostradamus save us. Nostradamus save us. Tell us what you see. Are your visions fatal? Are your visions fatal? Or just another mystery? Yeah. Come back today, I couldn't really see it. All the truth they told us so long ago was our destiny. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nostradamus.